Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account status. This is the fastest legal route. Open VN and sign in, then go to Account or Settings to view your plan. If you bought a premium feature, make sure it shows as active. This is why the watermark disappears automatically. Once done, purchase or restore a previous purchase if necessary. Payments clear quickly. Make sure you use the same store account or Apple/Google ID that holds the purchase to unlock the export without watermark. Now you focus on export settings to ensure the watermark is gone. Select your project, then export. Pick the desired resolution and frame rate because rendering choices affect quality and size. If your subscription is active, toggle the Remove Watermark or Premium Export option. This instructs VN to use the licensed renderer. Choose Local Export to save to your device, then render. Make sure the file format and size match your needs, and wait for the process to finish before previewing the result. Finish by thoroughly previewing the exported video so you catch any leftover marks. If the watermark persists, restore purchases first, and if that fails, sign out, reinstall VN, then sign back in. This often refreshes license verification. If none of that works, contact VN support with your purchase receipt. They can clear account issues. Make sure you use legal options only. Request permission from the original creator or obtain the original file instead of attempting circumvention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.